Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make ninja clothes, easy method. Start by measuring your body precisely, then pick a stretchy black fabric that breathes and allows full movement. Cut pattern pieces for tunic, pants, and mask using simple rectangles and tapered sleeves to save time. Use elastic at the waist and reinforced seams at stress points to ensure durability. I'll guide you through stitching tips and quick adjustments for a comfortable, stealthy fit. Begin cutting by folding the fabric to create mirror image pieces, keeping grain and stretch in mind for mobility. Assemble the tunic by sewing shoulder seams first, then attach sleeves using a smooth, even stitch. For pants, sew inner legs and then join the crotch seam to prevent twisting during wear. Finish raw edges with a zigzag stitch and add elastic to the waist for a snug fit that still allows quick movement and comfort. Create a fitted hood or face mask that tucks into the tunic to prevent gaps while moving. Reinforce high-wear areas like knees and elbows with small fabric patches to extend life without adding bulk. Hem edges neatly and test range of motion, adjusting seam positions if binding occurs. Consider matte finish sprays for any reflective trims and add subtle pockets for small tools, ensuring your ninja clothes stay practical and inconspicuous in action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.